Hey, it's Diego with Aim Shoot Develop. Today I'm talking about this product. This is the Sx-37, a product by Retrograde Engineering. It's a very simple company with some very clever ideas. Link to their social media will be in the pinned comment down below. This Sx-37 is a mount that will fit all full type Polaroid cameras. So this will fit this, which is the Model 2, Model 1 Sx-70 sonar, and the Polaroid 680 and 690 models. The 37 in the name stands for the 37mm threading on the front of the adapter. In this video I'm going to go ahead and talk about how this adapter works and what you can use it for, and I will be comparing it to this Polaroid 119A. This is Polaroid's telephoto lens. This is a cheaper alternative to this rare and hard to find lens, so stay tuned. I have a lot of content just like this talking about instant film, Polaroid cameras, rare lenses, and just things that interest me about film photography. So make sure to like and subscribe. I have tons of content just like this for you to check out right now. Also, a lot of these photos were posted on my Instagram, Aim Shoot Develop, by the same name as the YouTube channel. I make sure to post there more frequently than I do on YouTube, so if you want to stay in the loop of everything, make sure to check that out. Join the community, it's really fun. Check out some of the posts. Alright, so we're going to get right into this lens mount and some of the cool stuff you can do. This lens mount fills a void of people who wanted this telephoto lens or just people who wanted more out of their Sx-70 or even full type cameras. The 37mm threading allows for ND filters, color filters, filter effects, close-up and wide-angle lenses. As soon as I saw this online, I knew I had to grab one and share it with the community. It's a very clever product. I've been looking for an alternative to this Polaroid 119A or even just the Polaroid 119 that's not only accessible but a much cheaper and better for your money value. I did pair it with this 37mm lens that does have the 37mm screw mount here. It's a really simple generic box. These are actually really common in camcorders back in the day, but it fits really good with my camera. There is a trick to putting these wider lenses on the regular 119A if it's really snug, and it's going to be the exact same way with this one. So what you want to do is open up the film door, screw the lens on nice and neat, make sure not to over tighten it obviously. There we go, and then close the film door up nice and slow. Make sure this is secure and everything should fit nice and neat, just like that. If you're unsure what lenses fit, Retrograde Engineering and myself are both trying out some different lenses. We'll be compiling a list of lenses that are confirmed work and will fit really nicely on the Sx-70. So make sure to check in with either of us. Don't be afraid to ask to see if those lenses are compatible. The best thing about this lens mount is that since it's an SLR, you're going to see exactly the effect instantly in the viewfinder. So if you put a wide angle lens, you're going to know exactly what you get. With this telephoto, you can see your composition and adjust accordingly. It's very smart. Like I was saying about this lens, it's very cheap and inexpensive. I actually picked it up on eBay for about $6. You do see some Amazon or even other eBay used ones on the market, and they're actually pretty affordable. It does get more expensive if you go with name brand or even higher end glass, but this will work just fine. So I gave this lens mount a whirl and it performs. I did side-by-side comparisons showing it without lens, with the telephoto lens, and with a generic $6 lens that I picked up off eBay. I can say it holds its own weight with the Polaroid brand lens. I did also use this close-up lens set that I bought from Amazon by Vivitar for $7 and it works great. I'm not really a close-up small detail guy, but for the price I couldn't resist to add it to my camera bag of tricks. Overall, I'm impressed with the simplicity of this product and the image output and quality that you get. You do get your own options where you get to just choose your own lenses, so you don't have to get roped into a bundle where you want it for just one specific lens that you'll be using. Lastly, I wanted to talk about this lens. I'll post a little image of it here. This is the 20x lens, 20x magnification lens for the Sx-70 that will fit this 37mm mount. I'm going to go ahead and give it a try anyway, so I'll expect an update video for that. I don't know if it's going to work, but it'll be really fun just to give it a go. Check out Retrograde Engineering. They do have other products like a holder for your Sx-70 cameras without a tripod mount, like this one here. Everything I was talking about will be in the description or in the comments down below. Make sure to like and subscribe, as I was saying earlier. Tons of content and more to come. I try to post a video at least once a week. And also check out my Instagram, join the community. It's very simple, tons of content. So that is pretty much it. Keep shooting film. Take care. Peace.